what the recent embryology said about this aspect. Millions of sperms enter through the vagina to the uterine cervix. Then only one sperm travels to reach the fallopian uterine tube in order to fertilize the ovum there. After the complete fertilization, with only one sperm, the zygote develops. The zygote develops. And other sperms are prevented to enter the ovum and to make a new fertilization. So it's only one. Who made this possible? Allah the Almighty. The glory be to Him. So, this is the first type of nutfah. The first type of nutfah. Now we are going to the second type of nutfah. It is called nutfah amshaj. Nutfah amshaj. The second type. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Qur'an, إِنَّا خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِن نُطْفَةٍ أَمْشَاجٍ نَبْتَلِيهِ فَجَعَلْنَاهُ سَمِيعًا بَصِيرًا. The corresponding meaning of this verse is this: verily we created man from a mingled fluid drop. A mingled fluid drop. In order to try him, we gave him as a gift the hearing and the sight, in order to determine, in order to judge, in order to complain about the creation of Allah. Allah did not create our sight, our hearing for nothing. He created our sight and hearing for a noble purpose. It is to think and to contemplate in order to reach the greatness of Allah and to believe in Him. So, nutfah amshaj. Nutfah amshaj means a mingled fluid drop. That is a mixture of man chromosomes and woman chromosomes. Chromosomes that came from the sperm and chromosomes that came from the ovum. A mixture. This is the meaning of nutfah amshaj. And this is what the science found. Nutfah amshaj in modern science means zygote. Means what? Means zygote. The zygote comes after the fertilization of the ovum by the sperm. Then what happens to the zygote? The nutfah amshaj. This is what happens to the nutfah, amshaj, or to the zygote in this picture. You see? These are many and many sperms around, waiting to fertilize the ovum. It's only one of them. One of them fertilizes the ovum. Then after the fertilization, the zygote, the developed zygote, start to divide. Many divisions. Many divisions. And you get what? The nutfah amshaj hair. The nutfah amshaj hair, which is the mingled fluid drop. This is according to the recent findings of the science. This is the first stage of human embryo development, the nutfah. The second human embryo stage is the stage of alaqah. Is the stage of alaqah. Remember the verses of the Holy Qur'an that I recited to you? Then we made the drop into what? Into alaqah. Then we made the drop into alaqah. Alaqah is an Arabic term. Arabic term. What does alaqah mean? What does alaqah mean? In Arabic language, alaqah means in Arabic language three things. The first one, the first meaning of alaqah, a leech. The second meaning of alaqah, a suspended thing. And the third meaning of alaqah, blood clot. Blood clot. We are going to go through these three meanings of alaqah. The first meaning of alaqah is a leech. And look at this picture. The comparison between human embryo at the stage of alaqah hair and a leech hair. Look at the similarities. Look at the similarities between the human embryo at the stage of alaqah and a leech. And this is coming from a great book authored by Keith Elmore and T.V. Persaud. It's called The Developing Human. 5th edition, page number 73. You find this figure, the comparison between human embryo at the stage of alaqah and a leech. And you look at the similarities between both of them. To confirm the truthfulness of the Holy Qur'an, when it describes this stage as alaqah stage. It looks, the human embryo at this stage looks like a leech. And we are talking about a tiny thing. You know, the size of human embryo at this stage is less than 1 millimeter. Glory be to Allah. Who told the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, about this tiny thing inside the womb? Allah, who created the embryo. So, the first meaning, the first